Have any of you experienced these related to money? Fear, anxiety, stress, sleepless nights, and arguments with your wife, husband, or loved ones. I know I did. And the great thing is you're not alone, right? 70% of Americans, and probably the whole world, feel stressed about money each month. And there's even people who have a lot of money who have gone bankrupt. And you know some of these people. So the conclusion is a lot of people have problems with money, right? It's not just you. So if you're ever stressed about it, don't feel like it's just you. And we also know that more money isn't the answer. So what is the answer? Well, we found the answer a few years ago, right? So like our initial why in starting real estate and really going on the journey to financial freedom is, so we currently live in Florida and my family lives in New Zealand. So we wanted to just be able to travel and see them. And when we had kids, we wanted them to know both sides of their family. So we felt trapped in the beginning because we couldn't. Like we had day jobs or didn't have the money to spend thousands and thousands of dollars going overseas. And, like for the longest time, I kept telling myself that was the real reason we didn't have the money. But now looking back to where we were 5 years ago, really the money was there. I just didn't manage my money in a way that prepared us for a crisis or having to spend money to go overseas over a period of time. And so that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. What we actually learned to manage our finances to have true time and financial freedom. And here's a quote I love: manage your money or your money will manage you, right? The great thing is there is a better way just ahead. So we talked earlier about like why we have those negative emotions, right? Like, so we have all the stress, all the fear, but what actually causes those? It's usually thoughts like these: I'm not sure what my money's doing. I don't know whether I'll have enough money for something. Or I'm afraid to make a change or invest because it's working right now, but I'm not sure what's going to happen in the future. So how do we fix that? Well, first, we create a system to always see what our money's doing, so we have clarity. Then we also want a system to show us where the money is coming from. And then we also want a system that will give us the confidence and safety to know that if we invest or make a change, we have something to fall back on.